Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode with your friendly dietitian and public health specialist JJ. And today I'm going to be talking about how to get rid of the bags under your eyes. So many things can cause these bags under your eyes. It can be aging, it can be a buildup of things. I'll talk about that as well. It can be what you eat, it can be what you do. And yeah, I'll be talking about how to get rid of them, what to do about them, and how you can have a younger looking skin too. So let's get right into it. So please stay to the end because you'll get all 5 of the benefits and even some bonus ones. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is sleep. Sleep can also cause dark circles and it can cause some puffiness because you're not draining enough of your fluid in your body. You could have some mucus buildup. You can massage this in the morning just to rub out sideways, and you can even rub down to your lymphatic system. You have lymphatic drainage ducts here and it goes down your neck when it goes down and out, so you can go across and down. So massage like this to drain some of that lymphatic fluid. So you need about 8 hours of sleep. The earlier you get to sleep, the better. Usually any hours that you get before 10 o'clock or 12 o'clock can count as double. Then early to bed, early to rise, that can help you as well to get a good start in the mornings. Then number 2 can be magnesium and calcium because they help to drain your lymphatic system. They also help in muscle contraction, so to keep your skin muscles strong and elastic. And it also helps that you don't accumulate fluid around your body, so it increases your circulation as well, helps drain fluid and helps with your muscle contraction. So those are the first 2. So sleep, look at your magnesium and your calcium. So a lack of magnesium could also be causing restless legs, like pins and needles in your legs. So magnesium is a good one to look at as well, and potassium could also be a probable one. Calcium is involved in all of your muscle firing, so drainage of your fluids, your muscles need to get that out. Then number 3, fat foods, so specifically saturated fats. So saturated fats predominantly come from animal fats. So beware of saturated fat and then trans fat. Trans fats are man-made fats, so our bodies cannot deal with it and it just wants to get rid of it, and it can build up here. You have a very thin lining of skin and behind it some fats could build up. So you want to get rid of that fat. And how do you get rid of it? You don't eat it, or you have a high fiber diet. So lots of fiber binds to the fat and really gets that out of your system. Plant fats could also be beneficial because they're anti-inflammatory. So it could also be inflammation, and your plant fats, your omega-3s, will bring down that inflammation and repair any damage. So your nuts, your seeds, your fatty fruits like olives, coconut, those will be really beneficial. Your antioxidant foods and your plant collagens, so also your sea vegetables, seaweed, sea moss, sea grass, they'll all be very beneficial. Your green leafy vegetables as well. So it increases the waste removal in your system. It supports your liver as well to get all of that waste out. And because of the gut-skin connection, your healthy gut leads to a healthy skin. So you want a healthy gut, and your high plants intake will get rid of that. So plants and fruits. The plants and fruits can also protect your skin against UV damage. It creates that protective barrier on your skin when you go out in the sun, and you need to have exposure to your eyes. Even if you close your eyes, you look at the sun, you need that so that you can sense the sun, so that your body can then create this barrier. So you can create a natural UV barrier on your skin, but you need exposure to your eyes and you need direct sun exposure so that your body then secretes this fluid that will protect you, like your natural sunscreen. You could also be careful about what soap you use. Don't use harsh soaps that scrubs off that layer, that protective layer on your face, because that could also cause damage here, UV damage, because of the thin skin that's around your eye area. Then beware of very harsh products. Try to use natural products, olive oil, coconut oils. Those are more natural and they are calming to your skin. They're not as harsh. Then number 4, Don't have a high processed or high salt intake, because salt causes water retention, and that can cause puffiness and swelling under your eyes because of this water retention. So high fruit, high vegetable intake will bring that down as well. And your natural minerals, your natural salts in those whole foods, the plant-based foods, will help to bring down that swelling, and it will help to remove that excess or built up water or excess water. Then number 5, cold compresses can also help to bring down the inflammation. So it's a topical way of getting rid of inflammation, where an internal way would be to focus on plant fats and plants and fruits and plant foods that are anti-inflammatory, that will bring down that inflammation, also take away the water buildup or the fluid buildup, and it could also then help to get away the fat if it's a fat problem. So you also use a charcoal poultice. On here you can put cucumbers or cold ice packs or something that can bring down the swelling. It could also be because of allergies. So if that is the case, then cold and hot therapy could work. Activated charcoal poultice under your eyes could also work. Washing out your face, rinsing your face, putting on a natural oil cream could also help, because it will trap the pollen or the dust, whatever it is that causes the irritation. So some things that could cause it is the air pollution, the pollen, some allergies, some fine dust. If your air quality is not so great, you could also get irritation and puffiness and swelling. So those are some of the things that could cause puffiness, some ways to get rid of it. I hope this has been really beneficial to you and that you can implement some of these. And as always, to God be the glory, and stay healthy.